Good morning, Monday morning, ITSE students. I'm sorry we were a little bit rushed with our class today. I wanted to give you a little bit more instruction and guidance about finding someone to interview, a person to interview for your informational interview assignment. Remember, there's the actual assignment worth 20%, and then there's the reflection called potential sources for my informational interview. So you might find some businesses using Scott's directory that are in your community, and we did a demo of how to do that in Monday's class. Then I wanted to talk about LinkedIn. So you should all have a LinkedIn account by now, and many of you connected with me in LinkedIn. So what you can do, since we're connected, is you can look at my contacts, because a lot of my contacts are recent graduates of the program who are now working in IT, so for an IT employer, or they have an IT job description or job title that may be of interest to you, or they've continued their studies at another institution. So you can go to my profile and look at my contacts, like I said. Now, I'm not going to do it quite that way, but I'm going to show you how I would do it if I was in programming. I might look up Stephen Forbes. Now look at this guy. He's got 500 plus connections, right? So what we can do is we can click on the connections. And what you can do is you can reach out to one of them. And especially if they're a graduate of the Durham College program, they'll know that you have this ITSE assignment and they'll be willing to help you. So you might want to look at someone, you scroll down and you see what they do, right? So somebody like, don't everybody contact Kevin, but Kevin who is working here, right? And ask him to connect and explain that you're doing the ITSE. Now, check on his profile before you connect with him. It's always important to look at someone's profile. Make sure that he really was a Durham College grad and that he's working somewhere or he's gone to school, and see if you want to connect with that person. So lots of different ones. Can look at their profile, and then if they look like somebody you'd want to interview, you've got that connection of, hey, I was in Stephen's class and now I'm taking this ITSE course with Sue and I have to interview somebody. Would you be available? Okay, so I wanted to show you how to use LinkedIn in addition to Scott's to help find a person.